Welcome back. Let's take a look at our extension activities for exploring the 5 themes of geography. Today, we'll dive into creative ways to apply these themes in or beyond the classroom. The first activity would be neighborhood exploration. One exciting way to apply the 5 themes of geography is by exploring your own neighborhood. This is recommended if you are moving on to our comic lesson. Students will use a camera or smartphone and capture images that showcase each theme. Here are some visual ideas you might want to share. Take photos of street signs, arrows, or maps for location. Capture natural features or urban landscapes for place. Show objects like streams, power lines, playgrounds, or people dressed in seasonal clothing for human-environment interaction. Document bus or light rail stops, local markets, cable trucks, or promo bumper stickers for movement. Highlight cultural sites, signs in different languages, or landscapes for regions. These photos will be used to create a 5-window comic strip illustrating how the themes manifest in your own neighborhood. The second activity is virtual exploration. If you want to explore beyond your neighborhood, another option is using tools like Google Earth or images from the web to study different regions and apply the 5 themes. Some ideas might be to have students navigate Google Earth to explore locations worldwide for absolute location and relative location. They might even be able to go into a building because of Google Earth. Explore diverse landscapes and climates for physical characteristics of place. Investigate cultural practices or economic activities for human characteristics. Trace migration patterns or trade routes for movement, and compare regions based on political systems or cultural identities. This virtual exploration helps broaden students' understanding of how geography shows up in our world on a global scale. The third activity is game-based. For those who enjoy gaming, let's integrate the 5 themes of geography into interactive experiences like Minecraft or Fortnite. The links to these 2 fun, fast-paced instruction videos are provided with the plan. The students can watch these as models, and from there, they can create visuals such as construct environments in Minecraft that reflect diverse landscapes and geographic features. Use Minecraft to simulate human interactions with the environment through building and resource management. Create Fortnite maps that illustrate movement patterns or cultural landmarks. Design game scenarios where players must navigate different regions based on geographic characteristics. These games turn learning into an adventure, where you can actively apply geography concepts in a fun and engaging way. Whether you're exploring your own backyard, navigating virtual worlds, or diving into a gaming adventure, applying the 5 themes of geography enriches the understanding of our interconnected world. Remember, geography is not just about maps, years, names. It's about understanding the intricacies and beauty of our planet. So keep exploring and discovering.